With a good distance covered today, it's time to find a camp. And at Heine's request to set up a camp on a salt pan, he's now heading out to see if the surface is firm enough. Pans like this can be treacherous, with the wheels suddenly breaking through the crust, and not just getting stuck, but getting very, very stuck. Difficult to extricate any vehicle. But it all looks firm, and so now the challenge is to find a flat spot. A task which Rob is taking very seriously. Established in 1996, 4X Overland is the world's first global overland expedition channel. Join us as we explore the world by four-wheel drive. This series is made in collaboration with the Off-Road History Museum, United Arab Emirates. Within seconds of most of us shutting down our engines, Sean opens up his kitchen and puts a smile on all of our faces. Well, most of us, anyway. 155 kilometres today. It was a really, really good run with lots of dunes, some of them really difficult, interspersed with some rocks, but then long stretches, 4, 5, 6, 7 kilometres, where you could sit at 40 kilometres an hour. Tomorrow morning is maintenance day on the Range Rover. We discovered a little noise that we don't really like, and we're going to do maintenance on that. And I also need to do a little bit of, well, maintenance on the troop carrier. I'm just going to replace the air cleaner and give the engine a thorough check. That's for tomorrow. I need something warm to wear. It's cooling down. Morning, Rob.
Oh,
Yeah,
morning, mate.
Yeah.
Got to do a bit of a jobby this morning.
Yeah, what's that then?
Oh, bit of filter.
Yeah, filter. Yeah.
Going to have a look at the filter.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to look at the other filter as well.
Oh, the other one?
Yeah.
You mean the other one next to the, the WhatsApp thing?
With the thing coming into it.
Yeah.
You know, with the...
Got to do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. I think. Well, I've got to do mine as well.
What you got to do?
We can't forget. I got filter.
Oh, you got filter as well?
Oh yeah. But only one. I'm gonna do one now. Yeah.
You don't want to do the two then?
No, I don't want to
really?
overdo it. I mean,
No.
it's going to be tea time in like 10 minutes.
Well, yeah, I mean, sun's coming up, so
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
we should have a tea before we start, really. Don't want to really...
You don't start without tea.
No. Get into
Oh,
the
okay.
job, really.
Yeah, all right.
I'll go and...
I'll see you later.
Yeah,
Yeah.
down the calf.
See you.
See you,
Yeah, all right.
Kath.
All right. Yeah.
Couldn't find the mug,
Right.
but got a tin cup.
A tin cup would do,
Yeah.
or you can use that one.
Yeah,
so-
I don't mind. Because the calf was cut shut, see?
I'm not making tea.
What?
No.
What?
No, I thought we'd, because we're in this place we get exotic like, and I'm making coffee.
Well, that's a bit posh, isn't it?
Yeah, well, a bit, but I thought, it's all right, isn't it?
Well, give it a go.
Well, give it a go.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Give it
think
a
we
go.
should.
I mean, it's not right, but we'll give it a go.
Yeah. Well, you're a brave soul, Rob. Brave.
I've done it.
I've done it before. It's all right. Yeah.
You don't. You did one before.
Yeah.
What's it like?
You know, not tea, but it suits the occasion quite well.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh,
Yeah.
try that then.
Yeah. Got to try something once. I always say, don't I? Don't I?
Before you die.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You've got to do it before you
It's no
die.
good after.
It's less effective after.
You won't get the flavour. See? No.
No, you won't get flavour. You won't get as much. You
Get the flavour. I bet you can't guess where I got that cup from.
Let me see. I don't know, from a windmill shop.
No.
No?
Well, 33.
Well.
Yeah.
It's marvellous, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
In the kangaroo.
What we're doing on the Range Rover is maintenance. Oh, he's coming. It's maintenance, yeah. We just, nothing wrong with it, you know. It's just like, you know, making sure it's all right, isn't it? Isn't that, Rob?
What's she doing there then?
Open the bonnet. It's a first step, I feel, when working on a vehicle. You open a bonnet because it looks like you know what you're doing.
Well, even if you're working on the back end, if you open the bonnet, you look like a professional. So.
Yeah. I don't know where the hell anything is though.
Well, the thing is there.
What? A
In
filter?
the
No.
thing.
In there?
Yeah.
No, there's a filter in there. I know that for a
I
fact.
know that filter.
Yeah. I'm going to have my coffee,
Yeah.
tea,
It's
coffee
not tea.
first.
No,
Yeah,
it's not tea.
So where is it? Where are the bits?
So,
It fell apart
needs
in
replacing.
the airbox. So
should look like that.
it should look like that, but instead it looked like this.
Which means there should be a wing nut somewhere.
There's a wing nut, but it won't be. Well, it couldn't have got.
So it couldn't have fell out.
It couldn't have fallen out. It has to be in the airbox, which is on the ground there.
Maybe that's the rattle you get out of the engine. Maybe it went through the air filter.
There's the wing nut.
That's good. I was going to open up the entire engine and look in all the pistons. Luckily, we've saved ourselves 7 weeks of work. Jolly good. Well done. Well done. I think we need a lock washer on that, you know? British Engineering. They haven't heard of them yet.
Yes. Well, have we got the key
What key?
to the lock washer?
Oh. And now you're just being
Stupid.
stupid. You know what we should do now? We should.
Yeah, we're gonna find out.
We're going to find out what that is. Yeah.
Okay.
We should open the. This is the first time, we should add, this is the first time we are going to.
The spares box. Ta-da!
Whoa.
Don't know what half of that is, but
I do.
well, would you look at that? Look at that.
Hey? God. It's good, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a camera.
Yeah, we know that's there, you stupid git. So we need a bolt to blank that. Oh, that could be it.
Could be big.
You know what that's for? You?
Zebedee?
No, seriously, do you know what it's for? No. No? Pity, I know either. That, yeah, you're talking about that nice reflection.
On the,
Yeah.
on the water.
Yeah, on the water. Yeah.
It's like a mirror, isn't it?
It's just like a mirror, except a mirror on a table, not on
Yeah.
a wall like you know.
But what I don't understand is how comes if it's like a mirror, when I look in the mirror, I'm not upside down, am I?
No, that's true. How do they do that then?
I don't know.
God.
It's an enigma.
That's racist, that is.
Hey, Shawnee,
Yes,
where are you from?
me? I'm from here.
No, really, where are you from originally?
Originally, well, mix. Iraq and Spain.
Iraq.
Yeah.
Where's your bloody camels at?
I left them behind, they feeding. They will come back, don't worry.
They will come.
They will come, they know the way. They have their own navigation.
I'm going to test out this Australian-made product. It's a screw-in funnel, or a scrunnel, just to make the decanting of the fuel a lot easier for the vehicle. So we're going to give that a try today, see if this works. And it's got a little lock ring on it. One second. Pour it over the top. It's probably a lot easier than using the metal spouts on the end of these and then having to hold it in the exact same position the whole time, and you can pour it a lot quicker. A hell of a lot quicker than the attachments for the jerry can.
Slow, isn't it?
Slow, but no funnel required.
A quick wrap up. We're going to see if we can get more mileage today, because we know that the last section of the track is going to be very slow. So back on the track.
3 weeks ago, it was reported to us that this area was underwater, which means the track ahead could easily be very muddy and very washed out.
I went really slowly through a very shallow mud hole. Except for that I was really fast and it wasn't shallow at all.
I think we should look at all of the vehicles and see how we handled that puddle. Sensible person's car. Moderately sensible person's car. Sensible, but only when he's with his parents' car. Quite surprising for a youth. Blithering idiot.
Can you clean my lights?
Children. We're all children.
New paint on my car.
All children.
Johnny did the Triton break.
Nah, I lost a bolt in my tray. One bolt and one light, but it's in the car.
We're getting closer and closer to the finishing line. This is well 9. And I am quietly confident that the Range Rover will make that finishing line. But it is starting to misbehave and show its age with some strange noises, and it's, to be honest, got me worried.
Earlier on it was much louder. And it's quite quiet now.
But now we're only getting the squeak.
What were you getting before? A tap.
So yesterday, developed a little bit of a knocking in the Range Rover. Sounding a little bit like a tin can getting dragged down a cobble street on a donkey cart with no wheels, but today we've turned it on. Sounds like a hummingbird with no wings stuffed in a cardboard box. Totally different. And we've done nothing to fix it apart from change the air filter, which I don't think we did, but there you go. Self-fixing cars.
I think everybody's feeling it. Tired. We're at the point where I think everybody's kind of, me included, saying, okay, time to get there. Time to finish, cross the finishing line. We've got two days drive to get a little over 200 kilometres to Illuna. The last 40 or so is just an open gravel road. So off-road, yeah, 160 approximately kilometres. I, for one, I'm looking forward to crossing that line and announcing our achievement, which I think is pretty significant. It's, well, really, it's the Range Rover and Rob. I wouldn't have the endurance. This was an endurance test for the vehicle and Rob. Make no mistake about it. It was not easy for anybody, let alone driving a vehicle like that. Well, no aircon, not even a fan that worked. And it's been hot during the day. Very hot, actually. Not extreme, but hot. And he's driving a greenhouse. It gets very, very hot in there. And the endurance, the track has been rough. Very rough, and I think all in all, compared to my trip in 2017, we've taken 2 days longer to get to this point. And that's because the track has been so rough.
Put 2 more. Okay, go. Make some sparkles. Good job. One job. Oh, not there, Sean. No, not there.
Is it? It's not parallel.
What is it, parallel?
Pretty sure John can fix it.
You got the perfect